Login failed on Chime Fix. You open the Chime app, ready to check your balance or move some cash, and boom, login failed. It's one of the most frustrating messages to see, especially when you need quick access to your money. But here's the thing, most login problems on Chime aren't caused by your password. Let's go over how to fix it fast. First, check if Chime servers are down. Go online and search Chime outage or Chime status. If there is a reported outage, the issue is on their end. Chime occasionally pauses logins for maintenance or technical updates, and when that happens, all you can do is wait until the service is restored. If everything looks fine, test your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak or unstable signal can interrupt the secure login process and cause the app to reject your credentials. Next, make sure your Chime app is fully updated. Open the App Store or Google Play, search for Chime, and tap Update if available. Older versions can sometimes conflict with Chime's latest security updates. If the app is current but still not working, clear your app cache or reinstall it completely. On Android, go to Settings, Apps Chime, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. Your account will still be safe. Another common cause is incorrect time settings. Chime uses encrypted connections that depend on accurate device timing. Go to your settings and enable automatic date and time. If you've changed your password recently or updated your device, log out from all devices and log back in fresh. And if you're using a Bevavine, turn it off. Chime may block access from unfamiliar or international IP addresses. After these steps, try logging in again. In most cases, it'll work instantly. So, the next time your Chime login fails, don't panic. It's rarely a big problem, just a few quick tweaks, and you'll be back managing your money, sending payments, and checking your balance with ease.